Alright, check it out. It's Trevor James. We are in Chengdu, Sichuan, and today's video, your mouth is gonna be on fire because we're going for a ton of delicious Sichuan street food I know you're gonna love. Let's check it out. Get ready for street food of your dreams, because today we're bringing you to 4 new places that you can come visit on our Chengdu food guide at thefoodranger.com. Eating some amazing Sichuan spicy dishes, more hot pot, and some delicious rabbit noodles. Starting up first with a 25-year-old family dumpling joint. Let's eat. All right, guys, we got a ton of amazing Sichuan street food to eat today. But first, I want to tell you about a great opportunity. Along with our original Travel, Eat, Repeat, and Thai Howler merch, which means amazing in Chinese, we just launched a brand new couple designs for the holiday Christmas season. We have chili oil for life, and we have spicy. I know you're gonna love these shirts. They make perfect gifts for family or friends for Christmas. Go check them out in the description below. Order one. I know you're gonna love it, and we're gonna keep exploring, guys. Here it is, guys. One of the oldest dumpling joints in Chengdu, Thai Bangla. Oh, look at this. Wow. 夫子水饺. 你好. Wow, look at this. We are gonna be making shui jiao here. You can see these are all hand pinched. This is the xia right here. 这个是你们特色的虾，对吗？ Oh, Thai Bangla. Look at that. That is the shar. Ziji the shar. Oh, Ziji Zoda. Labar Zoda. Wow, this is an old joint. And Mijida. Mijida. Whoa. And Thai Howla. Oh, yeah. And you can see that's the big cauldron of boiling dumplings. So these are not wontons. These are dumplings. And there's a difference. It's the way they're pinched, the shar, and the mouthfeel. 你们开了几年？25年嘛。哇，老字号。老字号。我是25年。传统的老字号。Oh yeah, and here we go. So we're gonna make the 手工自己做的饺子。25年嘛。哦。你们是一个家庭的店吗？对的。哦。您贵姓？我姓刘。刘。刘。 哦，他的父子。哦，这个是爸爸。我是儿子。你是儿子。Okay, so this is the Leo Baba and this is Leo 儿子，对吗？对不对？太好了。And you can see these are all hand pinched, one by one. 做这个辛苦吗？哦。辛苦了吗？哦，那个脖子，那个脖子。 Oh, so it's hard on the neck, pinching jiaozi all day. Wow, and these just look so delicious. We're gonna sit down and have a delicious bowl. You can see Liu Laoban here. Liu Dachu is totally rocking the jiaozi. We're gonna have a bowl and start the Chengdu food tour. Oh, there they are, look at those. Right over top of that Hongyo. He's gonna plate ours right on top of that chili oil. Thai Bangla. Amazing. Oh, look at what we got here, guys. Beautiful dumplings. Hand pinched. And I really wanted to visit a dumpling place for you guys. Put this on the map so that you can find delicious dumplings. We've already got wontons on the map, but not dumplings. These are fuzi shui jiao, covered in chili oil. Oh, you can smell the garlic. You can smell the chili. Let's try it out. Mmm. Oh, wow. Wow, Thai xiang. Those are really nice. They're not the most plump dumplings, I gotta say, but the flavor and the chili oil, the garlic, is delicious. They're actually slightly sweet. Mmm. Those were nice dumplings, guys. We got lots of exploring today. We're gonna pin this joint and keep exploring. And next up, before going to the biggest Sichuan feast, and then for an amazingly spicy and flavorful Sichuan hot pot for dinner, we're gonna go try one of Chengdu's most famous noodle dishes, rabbit noodles. Awesome, guys, and the rabbit noodle joint is right up here. We've already got a big list of noodle joints for you if you come to Chengdu, but we have nothing for rabbit, so we're gonna try out some classic rabbit noodles right up here. Let's go check it out. Look at this. So they've got yuxiang tu si mian, which is fragrant rabbit sliced noodles. Let's go try it out. 你好，好久不见。可以吗？你好。来了。苏老板。你好。哇。今天可以吃那个油香吐司面吗？可以。还有你们的别的招牌面是哪一个？
牛肉炖鸡这里。
Awesome, guys.
Okay.
可以吗？
去吧。
And we're gonna take a look at how they make the yuxiang tu si mian. 谢谢. Oh yeah, here we are in the kitchen. 你好. Wow, 你好. 这个都是你们的做面的地方。工作汤. Look at this, guys. All of these bowls. 哇，太香了. Beautiful. You can see these bowls of chili oil. 哦，这个都是不一样的面吗？
不一样。这个是干的。
干的嘛？素椒。
对，牛肉。
牛肉。哦，这个是你们的鸡汤。
鸡汤面。
哦，还有
这个竹笋。
竹笋。哦 ，That's the bamboo fungus. 哦，还有
乌鸡。
哦，乌鸡，那个是鸡肉。
哦，鸡肉。
乌鸡的肉。
乌鸡肉。
哦 ，That's the black chicken.
松茸。
还有松茸。
对。
And matsutake mushrooms.
妈是好吃的很。
哇，太香了。
太香了。你们要了一个鸡汤啊？可以吗？你们要一个鸡汤吗？一个鸡汤吗？
Wow, this is amazing to get into here. And they're just making jitang. So they got black silky chicken in there. Jitang. 自己做的。太香了。哇。啊，好，我自己拿嘛。
自己来。
好，谢谢你。This is amazing. And the noodle station is over here, but it's just so steamy. As soon as we point the lens there, it fogs up. 哪一个是兔子面？这个是兔子面吗？哦，那个酱是辣椒油、猪油。哦，辣椒油。哦，自己做的。烧子油。Oh, that's ground pork oil. And what's so beautiful here? 很多调料。
花椒油。
花椒油。
酱油。
哦，香油。酸菜。Pickled veg.
香菜，这是葱，这是大蒜。
大蒜。
芝麻酱。
芝麻酱 ，sesame paste。
天津拿过来的芝麻酱。
天津的。
啊，天津。
哦，天津的。
芝麻酱。
Wow. And we're just boiling up the noodles here, and that's gonna go on top. There's our noodles. 太香了, look at that right on top. And they're gonna put that rabbit meat right on top. Oh, 牛肉. Putting the shaozi right on the 牛肉 there. 太香了。
好香啊！这个吐司倒在里面。
哦，好。
走吧。
Wow, look at that. Pure noodle. And just look at what we got here, guys. Wow. Look at this beautiful bowl. Starting here, we've got Nuro Mian. We're gonna put this on the map for you. A beautiful bowl of Nuro beef noodle soup. Nice chunks of beef in there. Oh, beautiful bits of bamboo. This is Hongshao Nuro, so it's red braised beef. Look at all those nice noodles. So first up, we're gonna put this beautiful tusi rabbit slivers with sesame, coriander, pickled chili, ginger, and onion on top of this beautiful bowl. Look at those noodles. Oh, with that rich chili oil, that rich stock, pork bone broth, and we're gonna put that right over top. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Mmm. Oh, wow. That is insanely delicious. That flavor is intense. The Sichuan peppercorn is so numbing. The sesame is so nutty. The rabbit is so tender. The onion gives it a kick. And the pickled chilies are slightly spicy and sour. Oh, that's the ultimate combo. And that's just the beginning. This is honestly one of the nicest bowls of noodles you'll ever eat. And after eating the beef noodle soup with the amazing bamboo flavor and the ultra umami black chicken soup, we made our way to a classic fly restaurant of Chengdu. All right, guys, next up, we are going to one of the oldest, most famous fly restaurants in Chengdu. Beautiful. We're just walking through these hanging Sichuan sausages here, and right up ahead is Mingting Restaurant. We're gonna have a feast. We've got hanging sausages here, Sichuan sausages, pork, chili, tons of Sichuan xiangliao. Beautiful. We're gonna go inside and have a big feast for lunch, and then keep exploring for more food. 你们的招牌菜是哪一个？
招牌菜啊，这个石锅菌香鸡卖的很好的，有菌子有鸡，而且是鸡丁香辣型，很好吃的。来一份吗？
我要很多辣椒的东西。
很多辣椒的呀。
对，你有什么？你有那个？
辣椒的，我再给你推荐一个嘛。
好。
牙签脆果、猪脆果。
好好。
要来一份吗？
来一个这个。And just shortly after ordering, the food all arrived. Incredibly flavorful food. Wow, look at this massive Sichuan feast we got here today, guys. Unbelievable. Look at this. We have a beautiful tongjiao yu. This is a carp, a river carp, covered in, look, fresh green chilies, and tongjiao, which is fresh green Sichuan peppercorn. So this is gonna be numbing, spicy, fragrant, soft river fish. Beautiful. And this is just one of many delicacies you can have here at Mingting Fandian. Look at this. This is Mao Xue Wang. Wow. This is pork blood. They give you squid. Looks like there's some Tian Chengdu, which is tripe, 1,000-layered tripe. They give you these split open sausages, kind of like hot dogs. Let's see what else is in there. Oh, it's just full of green veg. Thousands. Look at that. Hundreds of dried red chilies and Sichuan peppercorns. This is spicy Sichuan delight. Extreme flavor, extreme xiang, aromatic Mao Xie Wang. That looks pretty intense. And then look at this, guys. We've got Ya Qian Cui Gu. So they put pork spare ribs on toothpicks. Thousands of dried red chilies. And then look, we've got Sichuan Ma Hua. These are like deep fried bread crisps. This is a dessert. This is the Ruziba. So these are deep fried sticky rice sticks covered in a dark brown sweet molasses. And then this here is what we saw outside. This is the xiangchang Sichuan style sausage. They boil it. That is full of spice and Sichuan peppercorn. It's gonna be so fatty, fragrant, delicious, aromatic, joy. And then we've got a nice variety of Sichuan twice cooked pork. This is ultra fatty pork slices fried in these fresh green chilies. Oh, that looks actually quite heavy. And then over here, look at this, guys. This is the #1 recommended dish on their menu. This is the tofu nao hua, pork brain with tofu. So you can actually see there's a bit of pork brain, a bit of tofu mixed in, and it's just in a thick chili. It's kind of like a mapo tofu, but upgraded with pork brain, extra silky pork brain. First up, I really want to try this beautiful Mao Xie Wang. Look at that. Oh, that's actually really delicious. It tastes like this hot dog flavor is infused into chili oil with hundreds of dried chilies. Next up, guys, let's try this fish, this carp. Oh, and you can just pick it right off the bone. Wow, that is tongjiao. One of the lesser known flavors here of Sichuan is the tongjiao, peppercorn oil, green peppercorn fragrance that you can actually cook a lot of dishes in. And I've actually just taken a few more bites, guys, just to get the real flavor profile. This carp, what you gotta do is dip that flesh into the sauce here, because there's so many fresh green Sichuan peppercorns in there that, oh, when you dip it in, your mouth just goes tingly and numb. And this place is so busy right now. There's a lot of unique dishes you can try here at Mingting Fandian, with the amazing carp and peppercorn oil, the delicious sticky rice sticks, and the fatty twice cooked pork really standing out. But the one thing that's always ordered at Mingting and that deserves showcasing is the pig brain tofu. This is a classic dish of Chengdu. Wow. Actually, I think it's mostly pork brain and just a little tofu. So you can take that pork brain, let it drip over your rice a bit, get some of that flavor into the rice. And you can actually take it with some rice as well, but I'm just gonna take it pure. A little bit of tofu, little pork brain, go for the kill. Classic Sichuan food here. Oh, wow. That is unlike anything you will ever taste. The pork brain has no odor to it. It is just perfectly smooth. It takes on that chili, that mapo flavor. It's very similar to mapo tofu, maybe a little bit less numbing. Oh, and it just melts in your mouth. You can just take a bunch of that, slurp it down. Maybe it's just me because I've been living here for a few years, but I think it's actually really delicious now. That was an amazing lunch at Mingting Fan Dian. Beautiful sausage, amazing fish, so much delicious food, and we got more to explore. And for our final meal to pin on the map, we're going to a famous hot pot joint in Chengdu that serves hot pot with 9 sections to separate your ingredients. Originally used back in the old times when you would eat with strangers and needed to know whose food was whose. Awesome guys, next up, we're rounding out the guide. The guide is going so well right now online, but we need a couple more hot pot joints. So right up here, there's a famous Zhougongge hot pot joint. We're gonna have a feast, try it out. Here we go, guys. Oh, here we are. Hot pot heaven. 哇，太棒了！可以坐这里吗？太好了，太好了！谢谢你。哦，9宫格。对对对。Oh, this is the 9宫格 9-section hot pot. 太棒了。哦，很香的。对。哦，茶。绿茶嘛。Oh, 太好了. So look at that. This is all nuyo, beef lard, and there's dried chilies in there, some onions. That is gonna get extremely red and potent. Oh, 太好了. It's all here, guys. Oh, 虾滑. 谢谢你. Oh, 这个是麻辣牛肉吗？牛排。牛排。对。Oh, 澳洲牛排. Oh, we've got yachang, duck intestine. This is their specialty. Look at that. These are supposed to be really long duck intestines. These are actually a big specialty here in Sichuan. You boil them just for about 10 or 15 seconds and they become crispy, almost springy like. Then we've got some beautiful shrimp here. You can just slide that off from the bamboo. And then we've got some beautiful beef ribs, beef spare ribs, some imitation crab. We've got some sliced beef, some soft beef, and then some mala nuro, spicy and numbing beef. We're just gonna try this yachang. Beautiful duck intestine. Look at how long that is. And the secret is you just want to hold it in for about 10 seconds, maybe 15 seconds, and then it's going to get crispy. It's going to have a springiness to it, and it really is the specialty here. Oh, 谢谢你. Gotta put it in one that's boiling. There we go. Hold that for about 10 seconds. And then you just pull it out, give it a dip in your extreme sesame garlic dip, and go for it. Oh wow, oh it's crispy. It's crispy and springy, and it really takes on the flavor of the hot pot. And there's no organ flavor in there at all. Let's start with some of this shrimp. Oh yeah, you can just slide it right off of that bamboo. Oh, and then we're just gonna slide some of this nung nuro in. Oh, beautiful. It's over top of some bai tai cabbage. Just slide it right in. Just slide it all in. Beautiful. I love the variety of flavors in hot pot. This one definitely has an intense chili kick, but with this garlic and cilantro, it's perfect. Let's try out that shrimp. Mmm. Oh yeah. That is a hot pot right here. Just look at the bubbling red, all the peppercorns in there. It is burning, it is joyful. The dried chilies give so much flavor. It is also very fatty. Hot pot itself is fatty, full of that lard. You eat this and you are full and you are feeling heavy, but you are feeling happy too because the flavor is unlike anything else. So the secret is, this looks really red, this looks spicy, but it's actually, when you get used to it, it's not that bad. That was just amazing, guys. Another delicious hot pot joint in Chengdu. We're gonna pin this joint and go for more food. Well, that was way too much food, guys. Make sure you check out our brand new Chili Oil for Life merch in the description below. Click that subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching.